Ciao and welcome to Mama Chef's Kitchen. Today, we're making a simple yet delightful Italian Caprese Salad Skewers. Perfect for a light appetizer or a delightful snack. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, mini mozzarella balls, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic glaze, sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and wooden skewers. First, wash the cherry tomatoes and basil leaves thoroughly. Next, drain the mini mozzarella balls from their brine. Now, take a wooden skewer and start with a cherry tomato. Add a fresh basil leaf, fold it in half if it's large, followed by a mini mozzarella ball. Repeat this process until the skewer is filled with tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella. Place the assembled Caprese Salad Skewers on a serving platter. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil generously over the skewers. Sprinkle sea salt and freshly ground black pepper over the skewers to taste. Finally, drizzle balsamic glaze over the skewers for a sweet and tangy finish. And there you have it, authentic Italian Caprese Salad Skewers, perfect for any occasion. Remember, the key to great Italian cooking is using fresh ingredients and cooking with love. Buon appetito from Mama Chef. Enjoy these delightful Caprese Salad Skewers with your loved ones. Ciao, and see you next time in Mama Chef's Kitchen.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.